about 10-15 minutes into our first bikepacking adventure. Bit of loads of nice stuff. We've already gone the wrong way. You see, so far so good. This is my first time actually plotting a route with a canoe, and so far seems to be very nice. Don't see some deer over here. Oh, look at that, right in front, oh, there's deer. No worries. Down here. Definitely not where I should be. Just went through someone's back garden. I'm not sure if this, if I've got it up, what's supposed to be here or not. But we made it, so fuck it. Okay, so I think I need to make a phone call. Hello there. I've just come up to a level crossing I'd like to cross if I can. Margaretin TL673012. I've just got a push bike. Alright, lovely. Thank you very much. I'll wait until the train passes. Cheers. close. It's close to our campsite for the evening. Home for the evening.
Oh yeah, you're on a bike. Yeah, welcome to see it, sir.
Thank you. Trial run for carrying everything on the bike and the bike set up and stuff.
Yeah, are you in Gypsy Daisies?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yep.
You need wood?
Yeah, can do. Welcome to my video of my little first bikepacking trip. Just a quick overnighter to a local campsite to try out some things, make sure the bike's okay with my kit. The tent I'm using is a Roban Starlight 2-person tent, which is suitable for 2 small people. It's quite spacious for me. There's room for me and my stuff inside there, which is quite nice. Packs down fairly small, weighs in slightly on the heavy side, about 2.2 kilos. Quite easy and straightforward to set up, as you can see. Just 4 pegs, the inner and the outer pitched together with just one single pole through the middle, one small pole in each corner, and that's it, job done. The small chair is just a little Helinox copy from AliExpress, which I bought specifically for this trip, which was well worth it. I'm glad I did. Moving on to the bike, it's a Giant Revolt Advanced 1. On the front of it we've got the Tailfin bar cage, which is quite new. We've got an Osprey frame bag, and on the back we've got the Tailfin rack system, which is very good. I've had that for a couple of years now, use it a lot for work. It's the first time using it for bikepacking. I've got a cargo cage on the side of it, which I've used to strap the chair to. Yeah, so that's pretty much a setup. Let's go get the fire started and do some dinner. Let's start looking at dinner. Let's see what we've got for dinner options this evening. We've got some pasta. To go with it, we've got some tuna, chilli and garlic, a couple tins. We've got a nice Argentinian Malbec to go with it. Obviously. Let's head over by the fire and cook some dinner.